Namaste bachcho. So today we are going to do the exercise of chapter number 5, that is U ki matra. So I hope you all have practiced pronouncing the words with U symbol. Now let's do the first exercise, that is from page number 30. The first one, पाठ से ऊ की मात्रा वाले शब्दों को चुनकर लिखिए. So you have to pick the words from the text and write it here, the words which are with U symbol. So I am going to write the answer and you have to write it along with me. So the first word is kul. Ka plus U symbol and la vyanjan letter. Kul. Next one is bun. Bun means to knit. Ba at the bottom U symbol. Na on the top sleeping line. So we pronounce bun. Next one is putra. Pa U symbol and tra. Putra means son. Then we have kuch. Kuch means something. Like this, you have to do the other part of this exercise. So you have to write the words which are given in this text. Next one is second exercise. U की मात्रा जोड़कर शब्द बनाइए. So you have to make words by adding this U symbol. The first one is already done it for you. The word is budiya. So here you can see the U symbol is missing. So you have to add the U symbol at the bottom of correct vyanjan letter. The word is budiya. So ba plus U. So you have to write the U symbol at the bottom of ba. It sounds bu. Budiya. Budiya means old lady. Second word is suba. So you have to add this U symbol at the bottom of sa. We pronounce su. Su, ba, ha. Suba. Third word is gudiya. So here you have to write U symbol at the bottom of ga. Gu, E symbol, da, then ya and last A symbol. Gudiya. Gudiya is the name of a girl. So like that you have to do the last one by yourself. Third exercise, सही नाम पर सही का निशान लगाइए. So you can see here pictures are given and at the bottom of this picture two names are there. One is the correct name, the other one is wrong. So you have to take the correct name. So the first picture is of a rat. In Hindi we say chuhiya. Chuhiya is the correct one. Another one is mukut. Mukut means crown. Second picture is purana. Purana means old. And the next one is gudiya. Gudiya is a name, either it could be a name of a girl or you can also call doll. In Hindi we say gudiya. So this gudiya is the correct one. Third picture is of a rose. Hindi we say gulab. The other word is supari. Supari means betel nut. So the first word is the correct one. Gulab means rose. The last picture is suba. The words given are suba and surahi. Suba means morning. Surahi means water pot. So you can see the sun here. So it's morning time. The first one is correct. Second one is wrong. I hope you all have done it. Now let's move to the fourth exercise, that is अक्षरों को मिलाकर लिखिए. So you have to join the letters and write the word. First one is already done it for you. Sa plus U symbol plus pa with A symbol plus Ra with E symbol. The word is supari. Next one is Bu, Ba plus U symbol plus D plus Ya, budiya. The word is budiya. Ba, U symbol, E symbal with da, then Ya with A symbol. The word is budiya. Next one, Pa plus U symbol plus Ra plus A symbol plus Na with A symbol. The word is Purana. Purana means old. So, Pa with U symbol, Ra, A symbol, Na, A symbol. The word is Purana. So, you can do the other three exercise by yourself. Next, the fifth one. You can see a short poem. This poem is about Gudiya and her friends. Gudiya is the name of a girl and her friends are tortoise, heron and the rat. So, I am going to read this poem and you have to read it along with me. मुकुट पहनकर कछुआ आया, मछली लेकर बगुला आया, ठुमक ठुमक कर गुड़िया नाची, ताली बजाकर चूहिया नाची. So it's a short poem about Gudiya and her friends. Now let's see the meaning of these words. Mukut means crown. Pehenkar kachua aya. So kachua means tortoise. The tortoise came wearing a crown. This is the meaning of this line. Machli lekar bagula aya. Machli fish, bagula heron. So the heron came with a fish. You can see here in this picture, the fish is with the heron. Third line, Tumak tumakkar gudiya nachi. So when she saw her friends, she was very happy and she started to dance. Tumak tumak means started to dance. Tali bajakar chuhiya nachi. So here chuhiya is the rat. Tali means to clap hands. So the rat was also very happy to see his friends. So he started to clap his hands and started to dance. This is the meaning of this short poem. Now, there is an activity for you. You can see some pictures are given. First, you have to write the name of these given pictures and then you have to match it. One is already done it for you. You can see here, this is a carrot. In Hindi, we say gajar. So, you have to write gajar here. It's already given. Next picture. So, this carrot is matched to khargosh, means rabbit. So, there is a printing mistake here. You have to cut this khargosh from here and you have to write chhata. Umbrella means chhata. There is a small printing mistake. So, you have to remove this khargosh from here and you have to write chhata. You have to write khargosh here at the bottom of this picture. Kha, Ra, Ga plus O symbol, Sha. Khargosh. Now you have to match this gajar with khargosh. Now I will be writing the names of these pictures and you have to match it. Once you have done it, you have to submit in Microsoft Teams. So this is a picture of a fish. In Hindi, it's machli. Ma, cha, li. La plus E symbol. So you have to write these names along with me. Next picture is jal. Jal means water. So, ja, la. It's Jal. Third one is Akash. Akash means sky. Akash. Akash. Here it's Badal, clouds. Badal. So you have to write these words along with me. Badal. This is a picture of a cow. We say Gai. Ga, A symbol. Ya, Gai. Here it's a bird and the spelling in Hindi is cha plus E symbol, da plus E symbol and ya. We say chidiya. For bird we say chidiya. The last one is garden. Hindi we say upvan. U-pa-va-na. Upvan. So I hope you all have written these names. Now you have to match these pictures. After completing it, you have to submit in Microsoft Teams. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.